Hi everyone, today I want to share what we got our son who recently turned 4. We bought him a Cubetto, which is a coding kit for youngsters. And we also bought him a good quality microscope that he'll grow into as he gets older. We make it a point not to have over-the-top birthday celebrations, and we also try our best to fulfill our children's needs as they arise instead of waiting for birthdays to roll around. So on a yearly basis, we try to work out what big ticket items we might need in the year to come. This year, we took the plunge and bought Cubetto and a microscope. Both of my kids were thrilled and super excited about this. And since our son is just wild about planets, black holes, and all things astrophysics, we also bought the Cubetto space map. Cubetto is a great learning tool. It introduces young kids to the basics of coding and logical sequential thinking, and it does that while being screenless. It gets your child to imagine being in Cubetto's shoes, to tell their left from right and work out where the commands will send it, so it's amazing for spatial reasoning, and it also presents a fun challenge. And it's also really empowering. Your child gets to take command and take responsibility for Cubetto's welfare, which they find really thrilling. And after he finished the map, he went ahead and made his own adventure using objects around our living room. So it's great for creative play as well.
Me, this, this, that.
So we have wanted to get a microscope for a long time. We got one this year together with a set of 100 sample slides and some blanks. We think it's important for little children to be able to take the treasures they find while they're out and about in nature, not to mention ordinary objects from around the house, and discover their incredible microscopic structures.
Right to that symbol, and then right because it turns right, and then it's forward because it has to go there, and then right. Face that way, and then two forward, and then two more forward. Oh my, it's all white and green. It just did that. Right, and then it was that forward, and then was it that one that just turned off? Was it right? And then it was the thing that just turned forward.